If you were planning to build a PC in early 2026, you need to change your plans immediately. We all thought 2026 was going to be the year of affordable performance. We were waiting for the budget RTX 50 series, we were waiting for price drops. But yesterday, a new report from the supply chain just shattered that reality. NVIDIA is reportedly cutting production by nearly 40%. The great GPU shortage might be coming back for round two. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which cards are disappearing, why this is happening, and what you need to buy now before prices double. I'm Steven, and let's save your wallet. Okay, let's look at the data. On the 17th of December, reports from Board Channels, a reliable source for manufacturing news, leaked that NVIDIA is slashing supply for the first half of 2026. We aren't talking about a small adjustment, we are talking about a 30 to 40% reduction in shipments compared to last year. Which cards are hit the hardest? 1. The RTX 5070 Ti. 2. The RTX 5060 Ti 16GB. Basically, the exact cards that most of us were planning to buy. If you see these in stock today, they might not be there in January. Why is NVIDIA doing this? Are they just trying to keep prices high? Well, maybe a little, but the real culprit is memory. The global supply of GDDR7 and GDDR6 is in a critical shortage. The AI boom, yes. AI again is sucking up all the manufacturing capacity for high-speed memory. NVIDIA literally can't build the cards fast enough because they don't have the VRAM modules. This means the RTX 50 series isn't just going to be expensive, it's going to be scarce. And history tells us what happens next. When supply drops 40%, scalpers come back, we could be looking at $800 price tags for mid-range cards by February. So do we panic? Number, we adapt. If you are sitting on cash right now, you have two smart moves. Look at the RTX 4070 Super or the Radeon RX 7900 GRE. These cards are widely available right now. If the 50 series supply dries up, these older cards will suddenly shoot up in value. Buying one today at MSRP is basically an insurance policy. I've been tracking eBay prices for the last 24 hours. People are panicked selling their 30 series and 40 series cards to upgrade. Right now is the best time to lowball a seller for an RTX 3080. In 2 months, that used 3080 might be worth $100 more than it is today. Look, I don't want to be the doom and gloom guy, but the numbers don't lie. A 40% production cut is massive. If you are waiting for a price drop in 2026, you are likely betting against the house. My advice: secure your GPU before CES in January. Question of the day: are you going to panic buy now, or are you going to ride out the storm with your current PC? Let me know in the comments. I'll be tracking these prices every single week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the update when the shortage actually hits. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.